Hello, good day. Can you see me?
Yes,
Can you hear, teacher?
yes,
Can you say, yes, I can?
yes, I can.
Very good. Now, let me introduce myself first. My name is Teacher Jess. How about you? What is your name?
Marife.
Oh, what a nice name. Can you say, my name is Marife?
My name is Marife.
Great. Hello, Marife. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Wow, that's great. How old are you, Marife?
8.
Can you say, I am 8 years old?
I am 8 years old.
Very good. Now, Marife, let's start with our lesson. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, good. Now, please tell me if you can see the lesson material. Can you see it?
Yes.
Welcome to Pantado's class. Now, our lesson for today is all about animals. Can you say animals?
Animals.
One more time.
Animals.
Okay. What have you seen? What animals?
Giraffe.
Okay, what else?
Elephant.
Very good. Elephant. The other one.
Uh, is it a cat?
Oh, it's not a cat, but it is a tiger.
Tiger.
Very good, Marife. That is a tiger.
Tiger.
Okay. Next, let's proceed first to vocabulary. Okay, what picture is this?
Zebra.
Are you sure? Is that your final answer?
Giraffe.
Wow, that's good. This is giraffe. Can you spell it for me?
Giraffe.
Very good. Can you read it again?
Giraffe.
Very good. Next picture.
Hippo.
Very good. Hippo. Can you spell hippo for me?
Hippo.
Very good. Hippo. Next. What picture is the next?
Alligator.
Oh, is that an alligator? Let's see if your answer is correct. Oh, it's crocodile. Can you spell the word crocodile?
Crocodile.
Very good. Crocodile. Can you say it again?
Crocodile.
Okay, before we're going to proceed to the next page, can you read can you read again?
Crocodile.
How about the second picture?
Hippo.
And the first one?
Giraffe.
Very good. Now, oh, how many animals did you see?
1, 2, 3.
Very good. There are three animals. Now, all you have to do is to match words with the correct pictures. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, can you do it now?
Yes.
Okay, take your time. Okay, are you done, Marife?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay, let's check if all your answers are correct. Okay. Oh, crocodile. The first one is correct. How about the next one? Okay, giraffe. Next. Very good. You got all answers are correct. Very good. Next, let's proceed to the grammar. Can you repeat after me?
Yes.
What color is it?
What color is it?
Okay. Do you still remember this picture?
Yes.
Okay, what is the name of this animal?
Crocodile.
Very good. This is crocodile. Can you tell me what is the color of the crocodile?
Green.
Okay, is there any other color?
Yes.
Okay, what color?
Yellow.
Very good. It is color. It is green and yellow. Next, another sentence. This crocodile is green and yellow. Again, what is the color of the crocodile?
It is green and yellow.
Very good. Always remember that if it is only one crocodile, you should use the word is it. Understand?
Yes.
Okay, let's proceed to the next page. Can you repeat after me? What color are they?
What color are they?
Oh, do you still remember these animals?
Yes.
Okay, what animal is this?
Hippo.
Hippo. How many hippo?
2.
So, two. So there are two hippos. Can you tell me what are the color of these two hippos?
Purple.
Very good. Purple. They are purple. Can you read s- the can you read the letter B?
They are purple.
Very good. How about the next or the other sentence?
These hippos are purple.
Very good. So what have you observed? How many hippos there are? Two. That's why if it is plural, you're going to use the word they are. Understand?
Okay.
Okay, let's proceed to the next page. Okay, the next page is fill in the blanks. So there is lan and nam. Okay, can you repeat after me? What color is?
What color is?
Can you fill in the missing word?
Yes.
Okay, what do you think is the missing word? Can you type it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Okay. What color is it? Let me check if your answer is correct. Oh, your answer is correct. What color is it? Do you still remember what kind of animal is this? Or what is the name of this animal?
Yes.
What is the name of this animal?
Hippo.
Very good, hippo. What is the color of the hippo?
Black.
Very good. It's black. Can you type the word black in the space provided?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, very good. So can we read it again? I will be reading the Lance line and you will be reading the Nam's line. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, I will start. What color is it?
It's black.
Okay, next example. What color? Blank. Okay, how many crocodiles?
3.
Very good. There are three crocodiles. So what color? What do you think is the missing word here? Or the missing words? What do you think is the answer?
What color are they?
Very good. The answer is, or the missing word is, are they? What color are they? How about blank are blank? What what is the color of the crocodile?
Blue.
Okay. They are blue.
They are blue.
Very good. Next, it's time for us to listen. Okay. All you have to do is to listen and write. I am going to play this one and you have to answer the questions below. Did you get me?
Yes.
Okay. I will play this one once or twice. Just wait for a minute.
Listen. There is one example.
Come quickly, children. The train's waiting to take us to the zoo.
Great, Mrs. White. It's exciting going to the zoo.
Yes. And I love going by train.
Me too.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Is zoo called
That's right. It's Jungle Hill. Hill. That's Hill.
Okay.
Two.
Are there hundreds of different mammals?
Not so many. It says in this book there are 89 different kinds of animals.
89.
Yes. And they all have to have food every day.
Three.
Are there tigers?
Yes.
Can we give food to them?
No, we can't. But we can give food to the parrots.
Great. I love parrots. They're very funny.
Are you done, Marife?
Not yet.
Okay, let me play it once more.
Listen. And there is one example.
Come quickly, children. The train's waiting to take us to the zoo.
Great, Mrs. White. It's exciting going to the zoo.
Yes. And I love going by train.
Me too.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1.
Is the zoo called Jungle something?
That's right. It's Jungle Hill.
Jungle what?
Hill. That's Hill.
Okay.
2.
Are there hundreds of different animals at the zoo?
Not so many. It says in this book there are 89 different kinds of animals.
89.
Yes. And they all have to have food every day.
Three.
Are there tigers?
Yes.
Can we give food to them?
No, we can't. But we can give food to the parrots.
Great. I love parrots. They're very funny.
Okay, are you done?
Yes, I am.
Okay, now let me check if your answers are correct. Name of zoo. The answer is... Okay, you got the correct answer. Can you read it for me?
Hill.
Very good. Hill. Let's proceed to number 2. Number of different kinds of animals. Let's see if your answer is correct. Can you read it for me?
89.
Very good. Your answer is still correct. Now let's proceed to the last number. Let's check if what is the answer. Very good. You got 3 out of 3. Very good. Good job, Marife. Now, let's proceed to reading. Look at the pictures and read the story. Write some words to complete the sentences about the story. You can use 1, 2, or 3 words. Okay, all you have to do is to look at the pictures and read the story. Right after you read the story, There are two questions below. Then, later, after you read, you're going to answer that one. Did you get me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, can you start reading now?
Vicky lives with her parents and her two brothers, Sam and Paul, in the city. Last week, they had a holiday by the sea. Sam is 10, Vicky is 8, but Paul is only 5. They went to the cinema on Wednesday because it rained all day. They saw a film about sharks. The sharks had very big teeth. Paul didn't like watching them and he closed his eyes.
Okay, very good. Thank you for reading. Okay, before we're going to proceed, let okay, this word Wednesday.
Wednesday,
Once again,
Wednesday,
very good. How about this one? Close.
closed,
Again, closed.
closed,
Next, leaves.
leaves.
Okay, can you read the first sentence?
Vicky lives with her parents and her two brothers, Sam and Paul, in the city.
Very good. Now, can we proceed to number 1 and 2?
Yes,
Okay. Can you write your answer?
yes.
Okay, but before that, can you read it first?
It blank all day on Wednesday and the family went to the cinema.
Very good. How about number 2?
Paul didn't enjoy seeing blank in the film.
Very good. Now you can start answering. Okay. Looks like you're done already. Okay, number 1. It rained all day on Wednesday and the family went to the cinema. Let's check if your answer is correct. Okay, wait for a minute. Okay, your answer is correct. It rained all day on Wednesday and the family went to the cinema. Next, number 2. Paul didn't enjoy seeing the sharks slash the shark's teeth in the film. Okay, next let's proceed to speaking. Oh, can you still remember this animal?
Giraffe,
Very good. This is giraffe. Okay. What is the color of giraffe?
Yellow.
What else?
Brown.
Very good. Now, can you say it is color yellow and brown?
It is color yellow and brown.
Next, the giraffe is red and no, it's not red. It's yellow and brown. Again.
The giraffe is yellow and brown.
Okay. Next. Okay, again, what animal is it?
Giraffe.
Okay, giraffe. Next, what color is it?
It is yellow and brown.
Very good. The color of the giraffe is yellow and brown. Next, do you like drawing animals?
Yes,
Really? Can you show it to me?
but I don't know how to do it, teacher.
Why?
I don't know how to draw.
Okay, don't worry because you're still young. Maybe in the future you will develop your talent in drawing. Okay, so if given a chance, when you grow up, what animals would you like to draw?
Giraffe.
Oh, you like to draw giraffe. I'm looking forward for you to draw that one next time. Okay, which animals can you draw? Oh, you said earlier that you want to draw the giraffe, right?
Yes.
Okay, so all you have to do is to practice and practice. Next, what's your favorite wild animal?
Tiger.
Oh, tiger. That is really wild animal. Why do you like tiger?
Because I love cat and it looks the same with cat.
Oh, yes. Sometimes I also what do you call that one? I sometimes when I look at the tiger, I feel like I'm looking a cat also, but tiger is more bigger compared to the cat. And tiger is more dangerous compared to the cat. Okay. Did you understand our lesson?
Yes.
Okay. But before that, can I ask you something?
Yes.
Um, what is our lesson today?
Animals.
Very good, animals. Can you still remember the three animals?
Yes.
Can you name it?
Giraffe, hippo, crocodile.
Very good. What a smart kid. Okay. Thank you so much for having my class today. You're such a smart kid. Teacher Jessa is very, very happy. How about you? Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so don't forget what we've learned today. Study hard, review your lesson, and read more English books, okay?
Okay.
Alright, that's all for today. Hope to see you next time. Goodbye.